Today for Maker Monday, we're going to make a balloon rocket. To make this craft, you will need a balloon, some string or yarn, a straw, tape, and scissors. You'll also need 2 chairs that you can tie either end of the string to. So the first step is to tie one end of the string to one chair, like I've done all the way over there. But don't tie the next end onto the other chair just yet. First, you'll want to feed the string through the straw until you can see it come out on the other side, just like I've got here. Once that's complete, then you can tie the string to the other chair. Not too tight, but you can see mine's sort of straight across there. Okay. You might need to ask an adult to help you tie the string. All right. How does it look so far? Next, we'll need to grab our tape. I'm just going to use 2 pieces, and I'm going to stick them onto my straw. So here's piece 1 and piece 2. I'm going to put them on the straw here. 1 piece here and 1 piece here, but I'm not going to tape it around. I'm leaving that tape wide open. Okay, now the fun part. Grab your balloon and blow it up. There we go. But I'm not going to tie it up yet. I'm gonna keep my fingers on it there so no air gets out. Then I'm gonna take a second and attach my tape to the top of the balloon. There's 1 piece and 2 pieces. They're attached. Bring it all the way back to the front. On the count of 3, I'm gonna let it go, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Did you see what happened there? Why do you think it happened like that? That was pretty cool. So now I'm gonna go grab that balloon and I might try doing a few different things. So maybe I can make my string even longer. The balloon was still going when it got to the other side of the chair. You could also practice with different heights. So what if I tied this string to the bottom of the chair? Do you think it would work then? Play with that and see how your balloon rocket works. We hope you have fun with this Maker Monday activity. We'll see you next week for another Maker Monday craft.